How to check the installed version of IIS on Windows 10/8/7. FYI, Internet Information Services, IIS, formerly Internet Information Server, is an extensible web server created by Microsoft for use with the Windows NT family. IIS supports HTTP, HTTP/2, HTTPS, FTP, FTPS, SMTP and NNTP. It has been an integral part of the Windows NT family since Windows NT 4.0, though it may be absent from some editions, e.g. Windows XP Home Edition, and is not active by default. To install IIS, in Windows, access the Control Panel and click Add or Remove Programs. In the Add or Remove Programs window, click Add/Remove Windows Components. Select the Internet Information Services, IIS, checkbox, click Next, then click Finish. And, here's how to check the installed version of IIS on Windows 10/8/7, 1. Open Registry Editor, and go to hkey_local_machine/software/Microsoft/inet stp/. Locate then open a D word called version string. 2. Run the following command as admin, %system root /system32/inetsrib/inetmgr.exe. 3. Input %system root %system32/inetsrib/inetmgr.exe in the run box. 4. Open Internet Information Service Manager in Administrative Tools under Control Panel. 5. Run the following command in Windows PowerShell, with administrator level privileges, system.diagnostics.fileversioninfo:"get version info, c /windows/system32/notepad.exe.file or, get item property path registry hkey_local_machine /software/Microsoft/inet stp /select object.